Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and controls. If on battery, make sure power plan allows higher brightness. On AC, you can raise it freely. Next, find the keyboard brightness keys or open display settings. Windows display brightness slider, macOS system settings displays, Linux settings power/display. Once done, temporarily disable auto brightness or ambient light sensing so your manual adjustment sticks. That prevents the system from fighting your change while you work. Now you adjust and calibrate. Use the keyboard brightness keys for quick increments. Hold the key for continuous change or tap for step changes of roughly 5%, 10%. If you need a precise value, open the slider in display settings and nudge it slowly while viewing typical content. Make sure to check contrast and color temperature. Warmer tones can appear dimmer. Once you have a target brightness, run the built-in calibration tool or a calibration app to align luminance with color fidelity. Finish by saving your settings and creating profiles for different environments like indoor, outdoor, or battery saver mode so you can switch instantly. If brightness controls are missing or grayed out, make sure display drivers and the operating system are updated. Reinstall the display adapter if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the display won't change, reconnect AC, toggle adaptive brightness off, then reboot. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to isolate software conflicts, and then restore or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.